Hi Bellas and Bellas, this is your girl Shey and welcome back. We are finishing up this series, my ride or die favorite beauty products. A lovely Bella requested this video and my apologies for waiting you a little bit too long. My mother has been having some dental work and we've been taking care of her. She's all good, she's feeling great. And now we can get into skincare, my ride or die skincare. So I already put this mask on my hand so you can see how the little bubbles are kind of like starting to bubble up. Well, this is one of my favorite masks, Bellas, the Malin Goetz Detox Face Mask. I've gone through maybe 4 or 5 of these masks. They are a game changer. They are. This is a game changer. This is a product that I've used and I love. It's instant, it's quick, it's no excuse. I just sit it up in my little shower while I'm shaving and washing and doing everything. I leave it on my skin for 5 minutes. There's been times I've only left it on for 2 minutes and it still does the job. So men, as I said, they can shave with it. It's a great deep cleanse. Let me give you some quick benefits. So it's a why can't I talk? Let's talk. Oxygenating gel mask, deeply purifies and locks in moisture. It gives you this burst of moisture and your skin is supple and hydrated. It stabilizes with a vitamin C, so that's where you're getting your brightness. It firms your skin instantly. It's clear, deep cleanse, hydrated, and it doesn't clog your pores. Obviously, it's great for all skin types, purifies, and once these little bubbles finish up, you just rinse off quickly and easily, and it is amazing. So let's just wipe off, and you're gonna notice from one hand it's brighter and clear versus my other hand won't be as clear. So they're like 2 different colors, guys. Look at that. This is all dry and dead skin. This is all new, clean, renew, brighter, smoother, supple, dry. I need to put some more. I'm gonna use this hand while we are doing this video because, honey, this hand is feeling like, wait a minute, don't leave me out having me looking all old and crazy. Now, actually treat your hands too. Any leftover mask I have or creams, I always use my hands. Okay, so Malin Goetz is, they're leading in skincare in my book. They're affordable, it's great for sensitive skin. They created this line because they suffered from rosacea, eczema, fragrant irritations to fragrance, and they knew that there was a niche market that was in need of great result driven. So I find myself dabbling into this because it's a great cocktail product to go with other lines and it works and it's good for me. Okay, so we are going to talk about now the Malin Goetz Resurfacing Glyco Pads. Exfoliation, I always tell my clients doing makeup, how often do you exfoliate? Because it's very crucial when you're applying makeup. You want all that dead skin to be off so the makeup can sit on and not be on dry, dehydrated, cracked skin. Men age gracefully really well, not because they take care of themselves, not because they have the answer to the youth. No, they shave, they're constantly exfoliating. So as women, we can shave as well. It's not gonna hurt. But I use these little glyco pads, let me tell you. And you can separate this one, there's actually 2 in 1, so they're very thin, okay? And I go over, and I use them like twice a week. Now, if you want an intense glyco treatment, you can just leave it on and not rinse it off, and it'll penetrate and go night-night. If you're sensitive and you don't need that intense, you can rinse it off, or you can follow by putting your nighttime treatment on top, and then it deactivates the glyco. And you will feel a bit of a tingle, but to me, it's a good tingle. I always use my, at the end of the glyco pad after using my face and neck, I'll go over my hands, but I'm just showing you my hands now since we're doing a really deep cleanse. So we purified, now we're deeply exfoliating, and this dusts off the surface dehydration, which makes wrinkles more apparent. It cleans out your pores, blackheads, helps with texture and smooths out the skin and just makes it glow. So glyco pads have been my go-to. Okay, okay, let's talk about diamonds. I love diamonds. Diamonds are our best friend, just remember that, yes. But I'm using the Natura Bisse Diamond Extreme Moisturizer, yes. This is my luxury product. I believe in fighting this age war, fight, you know, as hard and strong, and I'm gonna fight hard to fight against aging. I'm in the business, that's my forte. So Diamond Extreme is a luxurious luxe cream by a beautiful line, Spanish line out of Barcelona. We've talked about their Diamond Extreme mask that I love, the Glycolic mask. We've talked about that, but this amazing formula basically triggers your skin own defense mechanisms to repair, okay? It's from aggressors, harmful aggressors, pollution, smoke, blue ray lights. It fights against anti-aging. It's extremely hydrating because I can be dry and I like a luxe cream to be supple and radiant. It helps with elasticity, it helps with firmness, and as I said, that glow hydration. So I'm gonna let you see this cream. If you can see, it's rich, it's hydrating, but it's not rich if you're combo, and it's gonna feel heavy on the skin. It instantly goes into the skin. Can you see? So since we exfoliate it, we brighten, moisturizer won't sit on that surface. It's gonna go in like, bam, easy. And it just makes my skin glow. I feel like I have 4 treatments in one jar. So it's an investment, it's expensive. I use it, it lasts a long time. It's very concentrated, and it's been my go-to, the Diamond Extreme by Natura Bisse. All right, to finish this all, I love the Tatcha, and I have a mini of the Tatcha Silk Face Primer. Let's tap that in, Bella, so you can see. There you go. Yes, this is the silk canvas. This is the miniature. I have a big one, but this is so adorable. It fits right in your purse, and it's like silk. I am not big on primers. I believe in skincare. I'm like, you don't really need a primer. Bella's, I don't wear makeup. I don't wear foundation, but I do wear concealer, and my eyebrows tend to get oily. That's where shine comes through, and it can take my eyebrows off. Probably because of the bangs, my oil in the bangs of my hair. So I love this primer also. It's amazing under the eye. It sets the concealer so nicely. I'm putting it on top, but you can also put it underneath, obviously before, and it just brightens. It calms redness. It fills in pores. It helps with texture. Tatcha makes a lot of golden products, but I've never been like die-hard primer that I just really fell in love with. This is fire. This is everything. Let's do this other hand so our hands can match. You'll see how, you remember that this hand was crepey and looking like, it's beautiful too. Do you see this mask, how lovely it is? Gosh, okay, Bellas, those are my ride or die skin and beauty. I hope you stay tuned for beauty, makeup. That's the juice, that's the scoop, that's the insight, that's my jam. Makeup, 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 beauty, beauty, beauty. It was a pleasure. I want you to have a wonderful day. Stay beautiful because you are. And if you love these videos, definitely give me some suggestions. I'll do whatever you're interested in. I love to do suggestive videos. It's so much, it's fun to put my twist on what they're looking for, so what you're looking for. Also, please subscribe, because if you're interested in watching more, you'll get a notification. And if you like this video, thumbs it up. Show me that you love it, and I will make sure to do more, more, more. It was a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you, Bellas, very soon. Cheers. Bye.